Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Trading Bot Easy Guide. First, sign up and verify your email, then link your exchange API keys with restricted permissions. Review default strategy templates, pick one that matches your risk profile, and run a paper trading session to observe behavior. Adjust position sizes and stop levels before going live, and always monitor performance when real capital is at stake. Set up strategies by browsing template options and selecting what fits your goals. Modify entry triggers, exit conditions, and timeframes while keeping position size limits sensible. Configure risk settings like max drawdown and per trade percentage, then run a paper test to collect sample trades. Review the trade log and equity curve, make iterative tweaks, and repeat testing until results align with your comfort level and capital. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which has voice control, strong suction, and smart mapping that saves you time while you trade. It pairs well with a focused workflow and fewer distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Monitor trades through the dashboard to track position sizes, P&L, and pending orders in real time. Enable notifications for fills, stop triggers, and significant balance changes so you never miss important events. Check performance metrics daily, export trade logs for deeper analysis, and tweak rules if recurring issues appear. Keep a clear routine for review to maintain discipline and prevent emotional responses during volatile market moves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.